Good afternoon, sir. Our project topic is Man in the Middle attack in ARP spoofing using Python. Man in the Middle attack is a cipher attack, and ARP spoofing also a attack. ARP spoofing in Man in the Middle attack that allows attackers to intercept communication between network services. Nowadays, cipher attack was increasing, so we are choosing this topic, sir. In this project, we aim to show the demo of ARP spoofing attack in Python. Our objective is to show the ARP packets generating and how the third person enter the conversation and give some details about how these kind of attacks are avoided. There are various kinds of attacks involved in man in the middle attack like internet control message protocol, dynamic host configuration protocol, DNS domain name service protocol, cookie hijacking, ARP spoofing or ARP poisoning, etc. But here we are discussing ARP spoofing attacks. There are various literature survey we are discussed, sir. Man in the middle attack execution has two distinct stages, sir. One is interception, another one is decryption. Interception means the initial step intercept client activity throughout the attacker system before it achieves its intended destinations. Next one is decryption. Alter and interception. Any two-way SSL movement should be unscrambled without altering the client or application. Man in the middle attack, possible networks are mobile networks, computers, browsers, cloud services, Wi-Fi networks,
Diagram.
etc.
In the first ARP request diagram, the device A sends request to the device B, device C, device D and router to check which device has the IP address 10.0.2.15. In the second ARP response diagram, the device D sends the response to the device A. In third diagram, the third diagram shows the working of the normal network and how a device accesses the internet with the help of an access point. All the messages pass through the access point. For instance, a device sends request to access the resources of an internet and in turn receive responses. These requests and responses always pass through the access point and therefore the access point is called the gateway to the internet. The fourth diagram shows how the ARP spoofing affects the normal flow of requests and responses in a network. In ARP spoofing, the hacker simply fools the access point and the victim by pretending as the access point in front of the victim and as the victim in front of the access point. Guidelines for the prevention of man in the middle attack. To stop the man in the middle attack is difficult. So the authorized user should follow some basic guidelines to prevent man in the middle attack. The guidelines are execute two-factor authentication, avoid the use of the open public system. If there is any unsecured site, avoid those sites for security purpose. Avoid Wi-Fi relations and remain password encoded. Make sure that employees don't use public systems and websites. Make sure that an organization always uses the latest version of the secured browsers. Secure your emails by employing SSL TLS. The employees should know about the general cyber attack, cyber threats, and they have to avoid compromising the security of an organization. Conclusion. We are providing some basic guidelines for the users to stay away from the intruder. The aim of our project is to show the demo of the ARP spoofing. The man in the middle attack interrupt exchanges between two backgrounds, and intercepting this unethical miracle can disturb a country's economy and may be a reason of unpredictability between countries by robbery and modifying any personal information.